In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Cash Giraffe. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, you want to go ahead and download Cash Giraffe from either your Play Store or App Store. Then from there, simply open it up for the first time. Once you open up Cash Giraffe, you're going to be greeted to the welcome page here. Simply click into it. You can allow notifications if you like. Alright, so from there it's going to say welcome to Cash Giraffe. So we can go ahead and accept and reject this. So we need to go ahead and please read and accept our terms. So go ahead and give that a read and accept. From there they want to allow tracking permission. So allow Cash Giraffe to track your playtime so you can get paid. So you want to go ahead and definitely press grant and toggle that switch on. Then from here you're going to be inside Cash Giraffe. And now depending when you're installing this or when you're playing it, you will get bonus gems. So today I'm going to get 2,200 gems and it'll be added to your first payout. So go ahead and click on to great. Then from here we are going to be sent over to the discover section of the app or featured section. You'll see games offering gems per minute or gems per task in here, and we want to go ahead and start playing. So download a feature game and start playing. Always launch the game from within the Cash Giraffe so your players tracked. Never open up a game outside of Cash Giraffe, otherwise you're not going to have those games tracked and earning you gems. Also, on a side note, earnings decrease for the same game over time, so always switch to new games to maintain higher gem rates. So you're going to have some options under your gems here. So there is a mega boost for today. So play new games and get 3 times gems for the next hour. So you want to go ahead and click on that to unlock. And then scroll down. For example, if I want to go ahead and play Bingo Blitz, it's going to show you how many gems per task you're going to accumulate. And also it's got a total here as well. So go ahead and click on play now and play that game to get those gems. And also at the bottom of the page here, we can complete surveys. So we can get 8 gems per max per day. So if we click into that, it will say, do you really want this? Your provided data information about your job, family, income will be collected and used for advertisement or sold. Are you sure? So if you want to go down that path, you can. And now once it's ready to cash out, so once you accumulate enough gems, go to the rewards to redeem. So PayPal Cash is 20 cents to 50 cents USD or local equivalent. And we can also get paid out in gift or store cards. This can be Amazon, Netflix, Shein, etc. And PayPal withdrawals usually arrive within 1 to 5 days, but often sooner rather than later.